Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 7. Oh my god, I made it an entire week of videos. 3 more weeks to go. Alright, so today I'm doing a really fun set. Okay, first of all, don't judge me how I say it. I don't know if it's kawaii or kawa. Don't judge me. Or also I've seen it called junk nails, but yeah, those are the kind of nails that I'm making today. I'm painting the nails pink, 3 different pinks and a purple, and you'll see in a second I moved the pointer finger to the ring finger because I didn't like those pinks next to each other, and those 2 nails are the same exact size on my hand. Also, I will be leaving the pinky clear, but I'm going to be putting mixed glitter on top of it. You'll see in 1 sec.
Monkey.
Alright y'all, so now I'm about to do the glitter. I'm starting off with the purple nail. Obviously I'm putting a dark purple glitter on it. And then I'm going to move to the pink ring finger. And I'm going to put a kind of light pink, medium pink. I don't know. Just a pink that looks good on top of that. Then I'm going to do the pinky. And it's going to be a mixed glitter that's kind of nude and pink at the same time. If that makes sense. Yeah. Alright y'all, these are the charms I'm going to be using. I didn't use every single one, but this was like the color scheme I was going for, so I'm just showing you all the charms that I had picked out. But before I do that, I have to top coat all of these nails, so I'm just going in with my clear top coat, no wipe. And I'm going to do that, then I'm going to come back and glue the charms on. Okay, now I'm just playing with my charms, trying to see where do I want to put each charm, where do I want it to sit, how I want it to sit. I just put a little bit of blue tack behind them so that they can stick to the nail but not ruin them. So yeah, I'm pretty much just playing around with everything, trying to see how it can all fit, how I want it to fit, if it looks good, is it flowing, is it super junky, is it too junky? So pretty much that's all I'm doing. Alright, now that I have my placement down, I'm just using my gym gel glue, and I'm also going in with some nail glue so I can super tack them on. And yeah, I'm just going to place them on the same exact way that they were. And yeah, y'all, I struggle with this nail the most. That damn, what is it called? A rainbow would not stay on. It kept slipping and sliding, slipping and sliding and slip. I had to keep moving it and moving it. But these are the complete nails. Now I'm gonna put on my nail tabs and show you guys how they look. This is how they're looking. Ooh, junk nails, kawaii, however you say it. That's how I'm gonna say it. That's how I feel like it's said. I'm just gonna call them junk nails. These are my junk nails. Full of charms. I like them. I hope you guys like them, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a good day. See you all tomorrow for day 8 of Nonstop November. Oh my god.